Space is big, but the area right above our heads is getting incredibly crowded.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Right now, there are millions of pieces of junk orbiting Earth, from dead satellites the size of buses to tiny flecks of paint. And every single one of them is a ticking time bomb traveling 10 times faster than a bullet. Welcome to the invisible minefield of space debris. Speed is everything in orbit. Objects in low Earth orbit travel at 28,000 kilometers per hour. At that velocity, a tiny screw has the impact force of a hand grenade. According to the ESA Space Debris Office, there are over 130 million pieces of debris smaller than a centimeter. We can't track them, but they can easily punch a hole through a multi-billion-dollar space station. In 1978, NASA scientist Donald Kessler proposed a terrifying scenario. He warned that if the debris density becomes too high, one collision could trigger a runaway chain reaction. This is the Kessler Syndrome. If it happens, the swarm of debris would become so thick that we might be trapped on Earth for centuries, unable to launch satellites or rockets safely. We've already had close calls. In 2009, two large satellites collided at 42,000 kilometers per hour, creating thousands of new pieces of trackable junk. Every time we launch a rocket, we leave behind space litter, spent rocket stages, and lens covers. Without a plan to clean it up, we are essentially building a wall of trash between us and the rest of the universe. But humanity is fighting back. Missions like Clear Space One are testing giant robotic claws to grab dead satellites. And drag them down to burn up in Earth's atmosphere. Other startups are experimenting with magnets and even harpoons. We are moving from the age of launch and forget to the age of active debris removal. The ISS has to move out of the way of debris multiple times a year. It's a constant game of cosmic dodgeball. The goal of international space law now is to ensure that every new satellite has a suicide plan, a way to deorbit itself safely at the end of its life so it doesn't become another piece of the problem. The edge of space is our most important highway for GPS, weather tracking, and the internet. If we want to keep exploring the stars, we have to start by cleaning up our own backyard. If you were in charge, would you tax every satellite launch to pay for a space trash cleanup crew? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.